Alert weather for this afternoon. The gustiest of the winds with the system moving away this afternoon and early this evening. Some gusts over 50 miles an hour with some scattered outages a possibility. Wind advisory up north, but a high wind warning continuing through about midnight tonight for the southern half of the state. And that will mean scattered outages across the area with some gusts over 50 miles an hour a possibility. Just be wary of the possibility of a scattered outage in your neighborhood and the potential that you're going to need a secondary source of power as we go into this evening. We will be looking for the winds remaining up going forward. So after the gustiest of the winds and some more prevalent gusts over 50 miles an hour, we'll still gust over 40 to 45 miles an hour tonight and into tomorrow. And that's going to mean some really cold wind chills also coming with that wind as we go forward. The wind will lighten later Tuesday night and early Wednesday. Still watching a couple of snow showers kicking around central and southern areas while we have more prevalent snow shower activity up through the Great North Woods this afternoon. And eventually the wind will knock back the wind chills sub-zero later tonight, and they'll only be in the single digits for the day tomorrow with partial sunshine and continued windy conditions. Partial sunshine Wednesday. All the extended maps that we have been looking at with the closest pass of the next system Thursday have remained sufficiently to our southeast. Nothing more than some scattered snow showers and flurries with an upper level system moving by with that coastal system. And again, the latest on those maps have been trending farther south over the better part of the last 2 days. There's your feels like readings later this afternoon. Teens below zero in the North Country, single digits above zero in southern areas. With lows in the teens and single digits later on tonight, we will be looking for wind chills if you're outdoors to feel like they are sub-zero first thing tomorrow morning and single digits in the afternoon. So a quieter stretch of weather, assuming that system passes to our south Thursday. Temperatures ebbing up near the freezing mark by the weekend.